If you don't know how to place a trade on TradingView, then watch this short video till the end. Okay, I will show you how to open a trade on TradingView, paper trading, so you can actually walk out of the video with full clarity on what to do next. It obviously could not even be only paper trading, it can be whatever trade you want to take using the TradingView chart platforms, which is the best platform out there, by the way. Okay, if you're thinking about joining, so go ahead and do. Now, number one thing on the list that you're obviously going to focus in is you click on this trading panel, right? What you could do, you just go ahead and click on the panel. You want to double, you see right here, and you move it higher, right? Now you can just connect your broker and all this stuff. There's a lot of offers, the ON, all the other brokers that you can use and actually trade in chart with TradingView. What I will do is just go paper trade, just go connect, and then you have my account, right? So here, for example, now my account balance is 99,999, right? Like 99,999, whatever. To do now, to actually go and take a trade, what you could do is just put a trade right here, right? Click on this trade and just play with this one right here. I'm not gonna go ahead and play with the DOM. This isn't really like I'm not gonna. It's pretty kind of difficult to actually just play with the DOM. Like most of you are beginners and you're just gonna boom, go ahead and just put it a little like normal order. So also I'm going to explain what the market limit and stop means. Okay, all the good stuff. What you want to do is, for example, let's say that I'm going to get rid of the watch list. Okay, you're trading, boom, 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 and you ultimately want to place a trade right here. Okay, you can go the right click and go on the trade, or you can simply like here there was a pause, but I deleted it, or you can just have this open. And what you go ahead and do, let's say you want to put a buy position. Now, when you go market, this is the exact place where you actually put in a spread is very low. I love to see it. Point 0.2 spread is awesome. Because it's every dollar. Come on. So here you can just actually go ahead and just play with the units and how much you want to get into. But the best thing ever, which I think the TradingView has, is this point right here. Like there is a lot of different. Okay, you can even just risk how much you actually want. I would just use this percent tool and just go with 0.5 like this, which is a $500 risk. And by the way, now you should play around with the take profits and stop losses. Okay, you go ahead and do this right here. And now it depends whether you want to sell or buy. First thing that you focus on whether this is a buy or sell. For example, I want to buy, and whether this is going to be an instant opportunity, right? Whether this is going to be an instant trade, which is going to be the market. So pretty much if the price is right here, you're pretty much either buying or selling from that point onward. When there is a limit like this one right here, okay, you pretty much want the price to go in a zone, okay? Tap your limit and then go lower. This is what the limit means, okay? Kind of more so just to go in the direction, then go lower. This is what the limit is. An order stop, which is right here, which we have, is pretty much you want to see the price. For example, here is your buy entry. You want to see the price just kind of go past it and just go, right? This is the difference between the three. With the market, let's say I want to put a limit, and pretty much want to put a limit right here where the price is. This is at 108.6 08631. So just go ahead and just put 08631. Boom, the limit. So I'm pretty much risking 50%. Don't play with the ticks, just leave it like it is. Okay, okay. Boom, 3.6 like that. And then you want to see you have your to take your take profit, right? Take profit for me, like let's say I'm like right here bullish to like 114.08. So you go ahead and just type in right here 114.08. That's your take profit. And then you have your stop loss, which by the way, I think let's say I'm putting it right here. 0.7553. Okay, 0.7553. Boom, you put a buy position. Now you have these, right? These are your orders. Then you have your take profit placed. You have your buy limit. Now it's a limit. And then you have your stop loss. So if you lose 2,165 bucks. If you gain, you get 5,000. What I actually also want to do, you can play around with this, so you can just move your take profit like however you want. right? This is the best thing there is. Um, so what I wanted to show you is this one right here. So you pretty much just double click on the charts. You want to go trading. And normally just like to keep this on not on the right, but on the left side of the screen. So you have your profit here, right? And then you can play around with however you want to put this in a perspective. So this is simple. You can also change the colors of play around with the colors and stuff. But this is what I really want to keep on the chart. So simple as that. You can have buy sell buttons right here. Ultimately, you're just gonna trade from there. Instead order placements, all the good stuff. So very simply, now I have placed in order. Let me just actually get rid of this because I want to show you. This is the order that I have. Let me just go once again a little bit higher. Just gonna do this, this, this. Let's put a market, okay, a market execution like that. Boom. For example, let's say you want to buy when your take profit to be right here. Okay, you can just copy the price like where it is. You just go here, boom, copy the price. You put it to your take profit here. Then stop loss, right click, copy price, boom, CTRL dot V, and boom, it's pasted. Boom, you get into a buy position right here. Okay, bam. Now you have everything set. Now it depends. You can see how much. Boom, there you go. It's working on it. I'm already kind of down $12. If I lose, like this is more so like 1 to 1 or whatever. But yeah, I would just, if you want to modify, you could just click modify. Like have your take profit there. Click once again modify. Modify the stop loss there, and then this is boom, you're in a trade. Okay, so that's simple. The pit value is $20. I mean, it's very simple to get into an actual trade with here. In Tradingview, it's very simple to connect the order. You can actually just connect on. Okay, we have two working. Yeah, that's it. If you want to just cancel the trade, like what I was looking, just a PNL right here, kind of $14 down. I mean, yeah, you can just let it go and whatever. If you want to cancel a trade, just go here, boom, cancel. Yes, it's dead. Like there you go, it's canceled. Now you're down like kind of $4 or whatever. Then you can go ahead and, because you have still one working, which is this one right here, which by the way, you can also cancel like that. And there you go. Okay, that's the trade. You can still just go ahead and click whether you want to buy or sell. Okay, it's very, very simple. So let me know what is your opinion on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.